Soft things. Let's look at some soft things. Pillows are soft and plush. Stomachs can be soft. Hearts can be soft too. Some fabrics, especially wool or velvet, are soft. The wind, a breeze, can be soft. Rain can be soft or hard. Light can be soft. A person can have a soft touch. Fur is soft, especially my kitten's fur. Skin and hair can be soft too. Marshmallows are so soft. Moss is soft to walk on. A person can have a soft voice or be soft-spoken. I like a soft bed. Teddy bears and stuffed toys are soft and cuddly. Ripe fruit and water can be soft. Countries often use soft power and avoid war. A person can be a soft target, very vulnerable. Coca-Cola is my favorite soft drink. Fresh bread is so soft and spongy. A sponge is soft. I like soft ice cream. It's so yummy. Communication, teamwork, critical thinking are examples of soft skills many jobs need. Startups always do a soft launch to test the market. What other things in this world are soft? Let us know in the comments. The end.